What's up guys, Micah here. If you're wondering about the slightly strange perspective, it's because you're looking from the perspective of a tank. Yes, this is an Airsoft tank, and you are seeing footage from Airsoft GI's BB Wars game back in July of 2016. This is actually from my tank that I built myself, and what you're seeing in the lower right hand corner is my custom M1919 A8 30 cal that I built from scratch, completely of steel, running an HPA engine. And just wanted to show you guys this footage and tell me guys what you think. See if you want to see more of that.
Yeah, are we dead?
No, that was short.
Alright, I don't know. Get me a little forward and then stop. Hey, watch the right side of that building. And I got the left one. Alright, got it.
One in the butt. I see.
Here. I got there.
Inside the butt.
In the... Go! Go! Get out! Get out! Hey, trailer, get out! Hey, watch our back. Somebody watch our back. Whoa. Move up to Badger Town! Well, I got one of them. Yeah. Hey, we might have a guy behind the brown wall. I would like, he might have an ion grenade, so I'd like you guys to check it out. Hey, we have a guy with that ion grenade coming on. Right side of the thing.
Ion grenade.
Right side, check the right side.
Who's behind the...
Check the right side of the food. The camper.
Alright, Nick, I'm moving in. I'm gonna go fairly quick.
Go.
Light it up.
I can't. I got no target. There's dead players in the way. Back up. Wait, stop. Back up. Stop. Back up. Ref, watch. You're hit. Hey, your back pad's hit in the car. Your back pad was hit.
You better be at least. Yeah, someone's on the camper.
You dead? Okay, you got it.
Alright. Person at the camper though. We're dying.
Watch out. Hey guys, start clearing the town. There's somebody in the camper. There we go. Stop right here. Or I can't see. I don't have a visual.
In case you're wondering what the ion grenade is that everybody's yelling about, they were grenades made by the Airsoft GI staff which were used to disable any vehicles that were on the field. They were hidden around and a player could pick them up and throw them, and if they hit the vehicle, like my tank or the other tanks on the field, it would kill them for a duration of 15 minutes. Thus, we did not want any players from the other team getting their hands on them.
Left side!
Hey, gun truck! Gun truck! Right here!
I got nothing. I got no visual. He's in the board's nest. He's in the board's nest.
You got it. You got it.
Board's nest. Hey, he's in board's nest. Push him. Push him. Hey, he's in board's nest. Push him. Where is he exactly?
Like down in here.
He's to your left.
There's another guy in the.
Yep. There we go. Good job. Good job.
Thank you. Look up. Look up.
Hey,
Oh, man, you just saved our butt. Good job.
do we want to push that far?
He is 6 feet. What?
We're full right now.
Full? We're full right now, yeah. All right. As soon as we get killed, if you'll meet us at the respawn, we'll rotate out. No problem.
Hey,
Adam. Hey, rebels. I need everybody, we're getting ready to do a run through here. I need everybody to go through and start clearing buildings. Our biggest concern is iron grenades. Everybody else with the heavy stuff's further back.
in the rear! Come on!
Let's go. We will suppress. Go.
Are you able to get through there? Hey, we have a guy behind the truck. One of them, not heavily armed.
Hey! Underneath the trailer! Underneath the trailer! All right, pull it up. Kick. Ready?
Go.
Over your left! Over the trailer!
Hey, you're hit.
Push up!
All right, go ahead.
Hey, guys.
I got shot in like the. Oh. Hey, Zach, how's it going? Hey, we're just wrecking your team here. Don't mind us. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. I mean, you're right. You're not wrong.
Almost got me.
Micah, I would suggest a rebels push forward.
Push up!
Don't go forward. Don't go forward. Back up. Back up. Backing up. All right. You're good now.
Okay.
We were just dangerously close to that bush and they could have come around that.
All right, so where do you want? I'm just going to go forward. I'm just going to push it, man.
All right, go ahead. I mean, you only live a respawn a couple of times, right? I don't know whose foot that is, but I really want to shoot it for some reason. Is he hit?
Yeah, he's hit.
I don't think I hit him. Hey, go forward and allow me to shoot this forward position. Watch out for iron grenades. Sorry. Go. Go. You're good. I was hoping that was not too much of a burst.
Alright guys, that's about wraps it up for my tank footage. Tell me guys what you thought of it in the comment section down below, and tell me if you want some more of this. I have more hiding around in my hard drive, so I'll see if I can dig it up. Thanks for watching, make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. This is Micah, the Full Metal Mando, out.